Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. In this practice, let me show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to build an FAQs page by using Meta Box and Kadence. This is the page that I've created for illustration. It contains questions and answers that are saved in the custom fields created with Meta Box. Let's see how I build this page. I have the Pro version of Kadence on my site to have some extra types of blocks to build the page. There's also the Meta Box plugin to have the framework for creating custom fields. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. We also need some Meta Box extensions to have advanced features. You can install them individually, or just use Meta Box all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. Meta Box Builder has a UI on the backend to create custom fields easily. Meta Box Group to organize the fields for questions and answers into a group, then they can be in pairs. Let's get started. I'm creating a new page for the FAQs. As I mentioned, the question and answer will be saved in custom fields. Therefore, I leave this page blank. I will create custom fields in the next step to input content later. The fields are quite simple. Each question will go along with an answer, so I put them in a group. As well as, you might have more than one pair of them, so this group will be clonable. Then you can add more pairs like this. Now, go to Meta Box, Custom Field, to create them. First, add a group. Inside this group, add two subfields for the question and answer. You should set this group as collapsible, then you can see the content in a tidy way. Adding title for the group also helps you manage the content better. This is to number the pair. And this is the ID of the question field, it's to show the question on the title. And finally, turn on this option to set it clonable. This is very important. After creating the fields and having reasonable settings, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select Page. Go to the Advanced Location Rules section below, and choose the page we used for the FAQs. After publishing, you will see the fields in the page editor. Just input some questions and answers now. To add more pairs of the question and answer, just click the Add More button. The page is still blank now. There are some questions and answers added in the fields, but they haven't been displayed on the page yet. So let's do it. First, add a repeater block. This helps to get all the content saved in the clonable group that we used to save the content. Choose the source as the page we used for the FAQ. In the Repeater field section, choose the name of the group field that contains the two subfields inside for the question and answer. We've set how we get the data. Haven't set any things yet to stipulate how they will be displayed. So open the structure of the page to see the blocks on the page. Just add any reasonable block to display the content on the page. However, for the content of the questions and answers, you must add blocks inside the repeater, as well as inside the repeater layout. There will be a dynamic HTML block as default there. I'm not using it, so I will remove it. Then add some new other blocks. Here I'll choose a text advanced block for the questions. Enable the dynamic content for this block. In this section, just choose the field for the question. All the questions will be displayed immediately. Do the same with the answers. Also add another text advanced block. Then choose dynamic data from the answer field. All the questions and answers displayed. The same on the page. We've finished getting and displaying all the content of them already. But there is no style. So, let's move on to make them display in a better look. Back to the page editor with Kadence. Change the settings of each block to have the wanted layout and style. Then you will see the new look of the page. That's the end of today's tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.